Molecular and empirical formula of a compound. A molecular formula is a representation that specifies the number and types of atoms in a molecule. It provides information about the elemental composition of a compound by indicating how many atoms of each element are present in a single molecule. Molecular formulas are a concise and quantitative way to describe a compound's structure without providing detailed structural information. Empirical formula. An empirical formula represents the simplest whole number ratio of elements in a compound, providing the fundamental composition information. Determination of an empirical formula of a compound from its percentage composition. Example, to determine the empirical formula of iron oxide from the following percentage composition: Fe is equal to 72.41%, O is equal to 27.59%, Fe is equal to 56, O is equal to 16. Step first. Write the percentage weight, or weight, and the atomic weight of each of the elements present in the given compound as shown below. Step second. Divide percentage weight, or weight, of each element with atomic weight and find the right answer to 2 decimal places. The ratio gives the number of moles, G-atoms, of each element in the compound. Step third. A. Calculate the simplest atom ratio by dividing each element's moles obtained in step second by the smallest value, 1.29 in this case. B. If the resulting ratios aren't whole numbers, adjust them by multiplying to achieve whole numbers. C. Express the empirical formula, indicating elements in a straightforward whole number ratio. Determination of molecular formula of a compound from its percentage composition. Example, determine the molecular formula of an organic compound with the following percentage composition, such that vapor density of the compound is 30. Carbon is equal to 40%, hydrogen is equal to 6.67%, and oxygen is equal to 53.33%. C is equal to 12, H is equal to 1, O is equal to 16. Step first, calculate the empirical formula of the compound as explained. Step second, calculate empirical formula weight from empirical formula. Thus, empirical formula weight of CH2O is equal to 1, C plus 2, H plus 1, O is equal to 1, 12 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 16 is equal to 30. Step third, calculate molecular weight from vapor density. Molecular weight of compound is equal to 2 times V dot D is equal to 2 times 30 equals 60. Step fourth, calculate the value of N, the whole number integer from the following formula. Step fifth, calculate the molecular formula by the expression. Molecular formula is equal to N, empirical formula, is equal to 2, CH2O, is equal to C2H4O2. Numerical problems based on empirical formula and molecular formula. Numerical problem. A colored hydrated salt has the following percentage composition. Cu is equal to 25.60%, S is equal to 12.80%, O is equal to 25.60%, water of crystallization, H2O, is equal to 36%. Calculate the empirical formula for the hydrated salt. Cu is equal to 64, S is equal to 32, O is equal to 16, H is equal to 1. Solution. The empirical formula of the compound is CuSO4.5H2O.